I bought a Broyhill 72 Castillo electric fireplace and I'm having trouble with how to use the remote and master settings.
What's the brand and model of your electric fireplace? How old is it?
I just bought it a week ago.
How long has this been going on with your electric fireplace? What have you tried so far?
Temp settings and I don't understand the symbols. The person that put it together didn't leave instructions and I downloaded the ones online and it doesn't help me.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I want to know how to use and troubleshoot it.
Hi, my name is Mike. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. This is a general answer. In the meantime, the first step to fixing most issues like this is to do a hard restart on your system. Power the unit off at the breaker for 15 minutes, then power it back on. Let me know how that goes and then get back to me here if you need any further assistance.
I'm not home right now, but I will be there in a little bit.
Okay, thanks.
I'm doing the disconnection now.
Okay.
I disconnected it and reconnected, but we are Pacific time and I'm going to bed. The problem is I don't know how to work the remote to keep the heat on. I don't know how to work the symbols that show up on the console. I will contact someone in the morning. I've had a long day and I'm tired. Are you going to be there in morning Pacific time?
I will be here. You can send me a picture of what you need help with and I can help that way.
Okay. I'll do it in the morning. Thank you.
No problem.
I'll be ready when you are. I don't know where you're calling from, but it's 6:45 a.m. here.
Send me the photo if you can. I'll be back at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time. Thanks.
Customer attachment October 26, 2026 20 and 33 seconds p.m. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 21 and 6 seconds p.m. I don't know what all those symbols mean on the remote and I don't understand the different symbols when I use them. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 23 18 seconds p.m. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 24 p.m. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 24 and 15 seconds p.m. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 24 and 57 seconds p.m. Customer attachment October 26, 2026 25 and 14 seconds p.m. Those are from the fire symbol on remote. The first on is on the first symbol to the right of the start and turn off button. The others I know are for color and fire images.
So what ones on the remote are you unsure of?
Right now I'm trying to put the heat on and it's not working. Is the one that looks like a thermostat control the heat? Customer attachment October 27, 2022 17 and 11 seconds a.m.
That should put you in temperature control mode and then you would use the arrows to ramp you the temperature set point to where you would like it.
I did that and it doesn't work and no heat comes out. I have reset twice. It only goes to 75 to 77. But no heat. That's what's happening now and it just shut off. Are you there? No heat. What should I do?
I'm still here. So when you have the temperature set to 77, you are not getting any heat or fan coming on. This sounds like the unit has failed and is not operating properly.
That's right. I need a service guy. I'm in bed already. You took over an hour to answer me. Can I have a day technician? It's too hard at night.
Okay, no problem. I can open this question back up and that way someone on days can grab it for you. Cheers.
Good night. Can you recommend someone to come out and service it?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.